Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use DeepSeek in Janitor AI Mobile. Alright, so let's begin. To begin, open the Janitor AI app or visit the Janitor AI website in your mobile browser and sign in to your account. After logging in, open your profile menu and then tap on these three lines. Then navigate to the settings section. From there, scroll until you find the app settings or model settings menu. Inside the model configuration section, choose the option for a custom API or an OpenAI compatible provider depending on the available settings. This will allow you to connect an external AI model instead of using the default one. Next, open your browser and visit the official DeepSeek website. Create a free account if you don't already have one. Once your account is ready, generate an API key and copy it to your clipboard. Return to Janitor AI and paste the copied DeepSeek API key into the API key field. Then enter the DeepSeek API base URL in the base URL field. After that, choose the DeepSeek model you want to use, such as DeepSeek V3 or DeepSeek R1, depending on your preference and availability. Once you've entered all the required information, save your settings. You can now create a new chat or open an existing character. If a model selection menu is available, choose DeepSeek from the list of supported models. After that, start chatting as usual and your conversations will be powered by the selected DeepSeek model. And that's it. This is how you can use DeepSeek in Janitor AI Mobile. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.